People, part 4.
I'm scared.
100 feet skydiving. Nobody has parachutes on.
Is that a flower? I want the volcano!
And then I jump into the volcano.
I'm burned! Dead! Don't do, there's a flower! Flower! Hey! Hey, Annie, they're still running inside the volcano.
55 years later.
Completely not.
Annie, say 55.
I've made it to the end.
55 years later.
And then I get on there and push you.
I'm a roasting marshmallow. I'm a roasting marshmallow on a hot dog. How about everybody who goes in the volcano gets stung?
Doggy, want this? Doggy, want this?
Go get it. Action man! Yay!
Wait, what's happening? Wait, stop!
Hey, Kai, we gotta go, bud.
And everybody went crazy. The end.